Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com CRO. I want to talk about Tonic and how it's pumped so ridiculously hard. I want to talk about different price levels for Tonic. I also want to talk about the unemployment rate, how we've dropped down significantly, and what that means for cryptocurrency, for crypto.com coin, and kind of a general overview of the market. So let's hop into this video, guys. Guys, we are at 6,300 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded lion NFT, guys. I'm super excited to give this away. We're going to have more and more giveaways, CryptoKip and I, so stay tuned. All right, let's hop in. Okay, so Crypto.com, all right, guys. CRO. What's going on with CRO? We are bouncing off this 5.5 cent mark support. I love to see that. We're bouncing between the 10 cent and 5.5 cent. We are looking pretty fine, guys. We're looking pretty fine. I like to see that we're building up and building some space off of this support. Guys, I don't want to see the grind. You guys know this. I say this in every video. I do not want to see the grind on this lower level because when you get a grind, you usually capitulate to the bottom of it. Usually, the more time you spend on a support, the more likely you break through. Well, I guess when you retest the support, you're more likely to break through. But the more you touch it in a consistent manner, it's kind of a the more you retest it, I should say, you build a stronger support level. But when you grind on it for a while, that's usually when you have time capitulation and you capitulate to the downside. So it's something to look out for. That's my biggest concern when I'm looking at the price and the charts of crypto.com CRO. So we are looking pretty healthy for CRO. We're still in an amazing accumulation zone, guys. It's an amazing time to be buying these coins that you truly believe in. These, I don't know, you can call them blue chips like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And, you know, the conviction plays that you really believe in. You know, I'm picking up CRO, I'm buying Ethereum, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm also picking up different NFTs right now, which is pretty fun. I mean, it's fun, but it's also, I believe, it's definitely a risk play. I'm only using probably about underneath 5% of my portfolio on some of these NFTs, some blue chips, and a smaller percentage of my NFT portfolio in the more risky plays. So, and if you guys want to know the NFTs I'm getting and whatnot, feel free to leave me a comment down below because I love exploring the different ecosystems of the crypto space. So yeah, let me know. And also, CryptoKip and I we have released a private Discord for our Patreon and YouTube members where you'll be getting NFT alpha, you'll be getting access to NFT whitelist spots, you'll be getting my trade signals. So if you'd like that too, become a member or a Patreon, guys. So all right, let's look at Tonic. So I mean, just look at this, guys. It's just insane, you know. I had the previous levels here and here for a while now, and you know, we just rocketed through that. We had a 100% gain from this bottom right here. Yeah, 110% gain. You know, that tells me that somebody knows that there's going to be some news coming out about Tonic, guys. But that's pure speculation. But based on a move like that, that's kind of what I'm seeing. Or somebody is about to use the platform and wants to take out a large collateralized loan with Tectonic. So something to think about. Very, very, very interesting. We came up. We broke past this big resistance level. I mean, we were trading in this resistance level for a long time over here, a long, long time. And we broke below it when we had time capitulation. You see, you're trading on it, trading on it, trading on it. The volume gets low. You drop down. But, guys, we bounced up, and now we're retesting this level right here at about the, what is this, 660s, 1402. So as long as we don't break below that, I think we could have another move to the upside. But I will say that what we do need to see is a retest of this line and then a resumption to get confirmation that we are in a bullish continuation pattern. So keep in mind, guys, we don't want to break below. We need a recovery so we know that we're in bullish continuation. So, guys, I want to talk about unemployment. So unemployment rate decreases to 3.5%. And I said, can we get a move to the upside? Guys, we are so primed and ready for a move to the upside in risk-on assets, guys. It's been a long, long time. I mean, even not only in risk-on assets, but as the markets as a whole we need a rally here very shortly. Can we go longer without one? Yes. But are we due for one? Yes, definitely. So unemployment rate decreasing to 3.5% is relatively bullish. I mean, let's look at this chart. This is a very fascinating chart. So this blue line up here, this blue graph is the S&P 500, and down here is the unemployment rate in the yellow. I mean, it's pretty curious, guys. When we were at our peak right here, I mean, 4.2% unemployment rate, but you guys know that this is when we started quantitative easing and quantitative tightening, and we started pulling money out of the market. So keep that in mind. But it's really interesting to look at other past events and where we were at for unemployment. I mean, right here, about 4%, guys, at a peak, another 4.7% at a peak. But, guys, another 4.2% at a peak. You know, what we should probably be looking at is where we are bottoming out. So down here right now we're at 3.5. That is extremely low for unemployment. How about at this peak right here? Excuse me, this depth right here, 8.10%. That's incredible. But that's when the pandemic started. So it's really interesting what you can extrapolate the data from this unemployment versus the S&P 500 chart and kind of see where we're heading. So at this trough, we were at 5.7%. Guys, we are ready to get a move to the upside. I mean, let's look over the S&P 500 a little bit more. So, everyone's thinking we're coming down here, and if the Fed is hawkish, there's a great chance that we are. But I am seeing curvature right here. I am. I really think that we might come up here and retest this, unless we get just some crazy news coming out from the Fed and we just wham come down here. But if we do that, we'll probably get a bounce off. As long as we don't break below this level right here at the 32.44, I won't be too worried about the crypto markets coming down. But if we get a bounce retest, that's okay, guys. That's okay. We might come down on Bitcoin. CRO might come down a little bit. We may even trade sideways on CRO. We may stay around the 5.5 cent mark, but we may get some downward action. But it's important that we pay attention to the S&P 500 and what's going on in macroeconomics, because guys, that's just unfortunately the game we're playing. When you want to invest in cryptocom and you want to invest in these altcoins, you need to be looking at the macroeconomics, because if you're not, you will get wrecked. It's very important to keep a close eye on what's going on in the world. So let's look over at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, 421 days. This is from the peak to the bottom. I do think that we bottomed out at about 407 days from the 406 to 407 days from the peak of 69,000 at the previous bull market top. And guys, I think we're ready here. I think we're primed and ready to get a move to the upside. I would like to see us break above the 17,500 and just have some daily candle closes there. Maybe a weekly candle close would be pretty awesome. But guys, we're getting so much closer and closer. Like the time to the Bitcoin halving is getting closer and closer. And once we reach closer to the Bitcoin halving, we're going to rally. We are definitely going to rally. I don't like talking in definites because all trading is statistics and probability. But I'm definitely leaning towards some bullish price action here leading into the Bitcoin halving. I don't think that being a bear right now is good. I think shorting here is very, very dangerous. I think it's very dangerous. And if you want to open up a long or a short, feel free to use the links in the description box below. We have a $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. We have a $4,500 sign-up bonus with Femex. There's lots of free money in the description box below, guys. So keep that in mind if you want to leverage trade, but just please be careful. Okay, so guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member, because if you become a member, you get access to our private Discord. You get these loyalty badges to use on our live stream every Tuesday, Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And the private Discord, I'm just hyped about, because I can't wait to build this community even closer, be able to talk to you guys, answer your questions one-on-one in real time, and really give you guys some NFT alpha and some trade signals. I'm super excited about that. So guys, if you stuck around, please like, subscribe, consider becoming a member. See you in the next one. Bye.